Hi there, I'm going to show you how to cook a very fast, easy and tasty omelette. Filming one-handed, so hopefully I can pull this off. Quick stir. Tiny bit of water, tiny bit of pepper. Salt, stick-free pan, some butter. There you go. I use a bit of paper toweling just to spread the goodness around. Simply, this is about hot enough, so we'll just throw this in. Bit of a jiggle, a bit more heat. Now, it takes really about 30 seconds. I'll throw the cheese in, one side, tomato on top. Of course, the coriander. It's always nice to have a herb in there of some sort. You can see it's sliding around nicely. There you go. It's slightly overflipped, but that's how you want it to look. And then, yeah, slide this off over the top. A little bit of coriander on top. It should taste really good. Enjoy.